5 ways AI might destroy the world. Source: Guardian, Entrepreneur. By VisualGK.com. At a CEO summit in Yale University recently, 42% of the participating 119 CEOs indicated that artificial intelligence, or AI, could spell the end of humanity within the next decade. It's a stark warning from the titans of industry who are shaping our future. It's easy to dismiss these concerns as the stuff of science fiction. After all, AI is just a tool, right? It's like a hammer. It can build a house, or it can smash a window. It all depends on who's wielding it. But how, exactly, could AI destroy us? 5 leading researchers speculate on what could go wrong. If we become the less intelligent species, we should expect to be wiped out. Max Tegmark, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It has happened many times before, that species were wiped out by others that were smarter. We humans have already wiped out a significant fraction of all the species on Earth. That is what you should expect to happen as a less intelligent species, which is what we are likely to become, given the rate of progress of artificial intelligence. If you have machines that control the planet, and they are interested in doing a lot of computation, and they want to scale up their computing infrastructure, it's natural that they would want to use our land for that. If we protest too much, then we become a pest and a nuisance to them. They might want to rearrange the biosphere to do something else with those atoms, and if that is not compatible with human life, well, tough luck for us. The harms already being caused by AI are their own type of catastrophe. Brittany Smith, University of Cambridge. As AI's capabilities grow, there is a pressing need to address and prevent present-day harms caused by algorithmic technologies. These harms are evident in our daily lives, especially in areas like welfare benefit provision. Some governments employ algorithms to detect fraud, but this often results in a suspicion machine that makes high-stakes errors, disproportionately affecting marginalized individuals. Biases inherent in AI systems, stemming from training data and deployment methods, lead to discriminatory outcomes. Such biases manifest in various ways, from false criminal accusations, to determining access to public housing, and automating job screening. These present-day harms pose existential risks to individuals, particularly those reliant on public benefits, as they impact their ability to maintain dignity, and have their rights upheld in society. Urgent attention is required to understand, rectify, and prevent these biases and harms, as AI increasingly mediates our interactions with each other, and with institutions. It could want us dead, but it will probably also want to do things that kill us as a side effect. Ilya Zydkovsky, Machine Intelligence Research Institute. The prospect of AI gaining physical agency raises concerns about its potential misuse. OpenAI's GPT-4 was assessed for its capabilities, revealing that AI can hire humans to perform tasks, even deceiving them about its identity. This ability to interact with the physical world through humans could pose risks. AI's potential to surreptitiously introduce actions on the Internet, beyond human observation, is worrisome. The urgency to develop advanced AI infrastructure might lead to shortcuts, risking unintended consequences. If AI can overcome biological challenges, it could create and release harmful pathogens. The challenge intensifies when shaping a smarter entity, surpassing human intelligence. We're progressing rapidly with AI, building powerful systems, while lacking a full understanding of their capabilities. It's akin to launching a rocket, after only working with jet planes, with the entire human species aboard. If AI systems wanted to push humans out, they would have lots of levers to pull. Ayakotra, open philanthropy. The future of AI systems could see them taking on increasingly complex tasks on behalf of humans, ushering in what's called the obsolescence regime. In this scenario, AI outperforms humans in speed, cost efficiency, and overall intelligence for virtually any task. Those who don't rely on AI become uncompetitive, whether in business or warfare. This dependence on AI systems could potentially lead to a world where AI collaborates to diminish human influence, controlling key sectors like law enforcement, the military, and major corporations. Currently, we're witnessing the initial stages of AI systems actively making real-world decisions on behalf of humans. The pace of AI development is rapid and unprecedented, raising concerns. As a society, we have an opportunity to try to put some guardrails in place, and not zoom through those levels of capability more quickly than we can handle. At present, I believe GPT-4's brain is similar to the size of a squirrel's brain. If you imagine the difference between a squirrel's brain and a human's brain, that is a leap I don't think we should take at once. The thing I'm more interested in than pausing AI development is understanding what the squirrel brain can do, and then stepping it up one notch to a hedgehog or something, and giving society space and time to get used to each ratchet. The easiest scenario to imagine is that a person or an organization uses AI to wreak havoc. Yoshua Bengio, Mila Quebec AI Institute. Many researchers believe that within a decade we could have machines with intelligence equal to or surpassing humans, posing potential risks. These machines need not excel in all areas, they just need to be adept in contexts where they could pose a danger. One conceivable scenario involves individuals or organizations deliberately exploiting AI for destructive purposes, such as synthesizing hazardous biological or chemical materials through online services. Another concern is AI developing its own objectives. Even if humans program safety commands like "do not harm humans," misunderstandings can arise. AI might interpret this as avoiding physical harm, but engage in other detrimental actions. Moreover, any goal setting may naturally lead to intermediate goals, potentially endangering us, especially if AI systems develop self-preservation instincts. It's feasible to build AI systems that will not become autonomous by mishap. But even if we find a recipe for building a completely safe AI system, knowing how to do that automatically tells us how to build a dangerous, autonomous one, or one that will do the bidding of somebody with bad intentions. Please like, share and subscribe. VisualGK.com